Hello, good morning traders. This is Christopher from fxthugs.com. Right, this morning we are looking at the pound dollar. Let's have a look first at the hourly chart. Convert the hourly chart here. Let's have a look, see what we have. Okay, on the hourly chart we've put a setup here to sell, but unfortunately it didn't go, went without us. Now, looking at this chart for the last few days, we can see that market's been dropping. So it is now at a key level where it could reverse. If we just put this line over here, as you can see, just spiked the market, and it's kind of forming a false move here on the day. So what I'm looking at today in the pound dollar is possible reversals. If we look at the 15-minute chart, there is, if you can see here, the accumulation phase. This is accumulation phase here on the pound dollar. This is accumulation phase. That's what we call accumulation phase, where the traders just moving up and down, collecting orders. Now this candle here, to me that's a false move candle, because they want, all what the market makers did is they just grabbed hold of all the triggers, all the short traders here, breakout traders. They collected orders here to go down, and now I think my opinion today on this is wait for the London Open and we could see something like this happening. Let me just get pen here. We can start something. Okay, I want this. Okay, team viewer. Yeah, so we can start looking to buy this pair at somewhere like here. Let me have a look here. Yeah, we can look at the pair around here somewhere to do a double bottom with this candles here, and then shoot up. At least if we want to take the trade, guys, we've got the 2.5 days threshold here. So this is the threshold of the 2.5 days into this zone here. I know the market's showing we're in a downtrend. Here we've got three patterns here, they're showing down, so we are most positive. But today, if you want to take the counter trend here and take it to this 200 EMA, that would be good trade. It's it could give you, at least if you enter the market around here somewhere, it will give you 70 odd pips, so there's a lot of room. Okay, so this is the pound dollar today, but on the other hand, we can still look to sell around this zone here if we see a formation that we like around this zone here, or this zone here. I want to see a double top formation here, and then with a price action to sell the market all the way down. So this is the pound dollar. The euro dollar is, let me just grab the chart. Euro dollar, I'm looking at the same scenario. We've got heavy selling for the last few days, and especially the last couple of days with no retracements. Okay, we've also have to use the pattern we have here. The pattern is to the downside again, but the major 7.5 months to the upside, but we have 3 patterns to the downside, so I'm more biased to sell this pair. On the other hand, we are intraday traders and we pick up on both sides. To be a good trader, you have to learn to trade both trend and counter trend trades. So if we drop to the 15-minute chart, 15-minute chart is saying to me, again, the same story as the pound dollar. The accumulation phase is, this is the channel of the accumulation phase, and then the market maker breaks this phase to collect orders. Now collecting orders, what I mean is to trigger all the sell orders here and then now they're trying to induce more sellers in, and then it will go up to this level here at least. This is my prediction for today, and then afterwards I'll check the news in a minute. Also check the news, guys. I would rather to wait. I always wait till 9 o'clock London time, give the market time to settle down a bit and then start trading, because first hours of the market opening is normally chaos and a lot of people coming into the market and they just stop you out left, right and center. So 9 o'clock is a good time to trade UK time. There's a lot of pairs to trade, guys, so don't panic. If you miss a trade in the pound dollar, you get a trade in the euro dollar. So like I said, similar scenarios to the pound dollar, to the and the euro dollar, they're both similar scenarios. Go to the dollar Swiss. The dollar Swiss is normally does the opposite of the euro dollar. It's in negative correlation with it. Okay, so we're looking the same here. Let's go to the hourly chart, gives a bigger picture. The hourly chart is heavy buying here. Also we have on the threshold indicator here, we have three patterns that up, so we are looking to buy. But on the other hand, this candle here, the hourly candle scares me when they do this like that. That is just, there have to be a correction today somehow. So we are looking to buy. If you want to take a counter trend trade around those figures here, it's kind of inverted head and shoulder. So if we it is a head and shoulder. Let me just do it clear. There is the first, second. They could do this one like this today and then drop here all the way to this. We've got the 2.5 day threshold, 5 day threshold, and the 10 days. So this zone here is a strong. Also we've got the 800 AMA. So this is a strong zone here, guys. So we're looking for double bottom formation here. The criteria to buy the market is, I always look for double bottom. Why double bottom? Because once they go down, they go up again and they go down again, because after they induce sellers in the market. But if I want to buy this zone here also, buying at this level here, I would like to see at least 1, 2 and 3 waves towards any of those zones. I don't just, if it's just one big drop like that, it doesn't happen to me, it doesn't occur to me. I would like to see 1, 2 and 3 pushes, or 3 swipes, 3 intraday swipes, 1, 2, 3. So this is the market, and then forms a double bottom here, anywhere around this zone here. But I want to see the 3, like I said, the 3, 1, 2, 3. Always if you notice, the market moves in 3 waves and correct. That's the elite wave theory. So what we're looking here, guys, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna buy. Okay, this is the Swissy. Let's have a look at the New Zealand dollar for now. New Zealand dollar is beautiful setup here. We have kind of a mixed up setups on the zones here. Okay, so what we're looking at, let's get this thing working. We're looking at the hourly chart, which is formed nice double bottoms here. So I'm more biased to the upside. We've hit the 2.5 day threshold zone here, as you can see. So what we're looking here on the 15-minute chart, let's have a look on the 15-minute chart. It's choppy, so not very clear. Leave it alone. You know, I wouldn't recommend trading this today. It's not very clear, but I'm more biased to the upside on this today. Okay, let's have a look at the Euro Yen, guys. Just drag it here to my screen. Euro Yen, it will be similar scenarios to the Euro Dollar. Have a look at the hourly chart first. Okay, the hourly chart, we've got some heavy selling here, and it hit exactly. And I want to just explain to you how this works. we've got one wave, second wave, and then third wave here exactly to the threshold. So this was a buy signal here on Friday, which made some pips. Now you can trade those levels to the downside. Looking at the hourly chart, this is the double top formation here, so we might see this today and then that and then going down again, because the patterns is mixed up again. It's not very clear. So the next level to the downside from here is, if we just go to the 4-hourly chart, 4-hourly chart is, let's have a look. The next level to the downside from here is, this is how we use a threshold indicator. Is a major 50%, and it's not showing valid setups here. Okay, so the only thing we're looking at, that's why it's a mix-up today in the euro yen. Nothing very clear, but as an intraday trader, I'm looking after to sell this market at this level here. If the market goes up as a false move 1, and then does 2, and then 3 around this level here, we would sell it again to test this level here again. So there's huge pips here. This is the only thing I'm looking at, the euro yen. So we said 1, and then down, up, and then down, and then 3, and double top formation. Why double top? Why does the market maker do this double top? Because they show people that the market is going up, and then they go up here, they trigger all the breakout traders, trigger them here, and then they push the market to the downside to trap them in and stop them. So that's the level. So we've got this zone around here, so we want to see 3 intraday swipes towards the zone for us to sell. So the euro yen is 3 intraday swipes like this to sell. Okay. That's it for today, guys. If you want any questions, I'll be on Skype, and then I can explain to you what's what. This service is going to be at $5 a month for each of you guys, and you will get the threshold indicator within the service and how to use it. So if you're interested, I'm sure you will be. You'll have videos every day like this of me to watch the market and how to trade it, and how to use the threshold indicator. Okay, until then, thank you all guys, and have fun.